What's that? What are you doing down there?
Kaya's not happy.
Okay. Whoa, we're halfway there. Living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear.